Hi children, today's topic is properties of integers. Now how many properties are there? 4 properties are there. Closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property. First we have to learn closure property under 4 operations. What are those 4 operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now first we have to take first property, closure property under addition. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is also integer. What is that addition closure property? A and b, two integers, a plus b also has integer. Their sum also integer. Example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, integers are closed under addition. Next, subtraction. For any two integers a and b, a minus b is also an integer. Suppose if you take two integers a and b, their difference also integer. Then we can say integers are closed under subtraction. Example, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Both 2 and minus 3 are integers and minus 1 also integer. So, integers are closed under subtraction. Next, multiplication. For any two integers a and b, product of a and b also integer. Means if two numbers, any two integers, both negative or positive, if you multiply, you will get again integer. Then we can say integers are closed under multiplication. Example, minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 6. Minus 2 integer, 3 integer, 6 also integer. Then when we multiply two integers, the product is also integer. So, we can say integers are closed under multiplication. Next, division. For any two integers a and b, a divided b, it may or may not be integer. May or may not be integer. Means sometimes it will be integer, sometimes it will not be integer. Example, 4 divided by 2, 2. 8 divided by 3, 8 by 3. Then we can't say here, what is the coefficient 2? Here, coefficient 8 by 3. We can't say 8 by 3 as an integer. So, we can say that integers are not closed under division. Integers are not closed under division. Then, what is the conclusion for this property? In integers, closure property is applicable for addition, subtraction, multiplication. Not applicable for division. Means closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication. But it is not under closure under division. So, closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication is applicable. But closure property under division is not applicable. Now, second property, commutative property. Commutative property under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. 4 operations. First one we will go for addition. Addition. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. If you add two numbers in any way, reverse order, you have to get those sum equal. You have to get same sum. Means a plus b is equal to b plus a. Suppose 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. 5 is equal to 5. Means if any two integers add in any direction, in any order, their sum must be equal. So, integers are commutative under addition. For subtraction, for any two integers a and b, a minus b not equal to b minus a. Example, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Here, I changed the order. What is that? Suppose a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3. Now, a minus b, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Next, b minus a, minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Then here both the differences are not equal. So, we can say integers are not commutative under subtraction. Next, for multiplication. For any two integers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. Means here also we changed the order. Then if you multiply any two integers in any order, their product is equal. Product will be equal. Example, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Then we can say integers are commutative under multiplication. Next, division. For any two integers a and b, a divided by b not equal to b divided by a. What is that property? For any two integers a and b, a divided by b not equal to b divided by a. Example, see, 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 4, half. Then both coefficients are not equal. Then we can say integers are not commutative under division. Means if you divide any two integers, their coefficients never equal. Then we can say integers are not commutative under division. Now in commutative property, only it is applicable for addition and multiplication. It is not applicable for subtraction and division. Then what is the commutative property for integers? For in 4 operations, only for addition and multiplication it is applicable, and it is not applicable for subtraction and division.